yeah bia say nwum na aka say me future was no okwa what redeem no what bit no no after no audience ni dan so ye bibi kra na de ekọ nti obetimi wi abet kinata wa obi a woni ni suban ana Akwaboah enti no say ono no obetimi aka say have to maintain it ohun ye ni dem eni brain so e wo bi ebi mu afa enti ebu eni brain enti ebu ohun a o ombo na we say eni brain as person min kuminya selfish enti anu so ni na kan obi ana omutimi di wia obi track no.
Hello, I am to my GH and we need a good so I will say. Medin na ama obusana and sema everybody. I am my Ghana, especially social media platforms no. And I'm able to drive ama more ashre for any ete for most with me any be at it. They say a day coronavirus adjust system no apples they say baby I slow to say baby and copy baby Emma. Ama your celebrities do na oma your shipa a be pequine seriously say can make it our industry even in this times now makes me I remain relevant and ya womudin no entin koda na no na say akofo ka say boys aye wild boys aye she girls so kasa or here girls no ma yenya bebre o ma run e bi didi saba e bi atena say din boys no to pekwaya make it relevant e bi so to nyum e bi so wi anyum te say and several the adults so na wo mo wi anyum no wo mo bo mo dia area eye underground no for there so no mo so betimi da making yem bi or here underground ni bi na te say nyum a wo bo no fa kwem kakra to asum kakra wonu eyi no eyi sunsun na wonwum no efim no no de abo no de no hom na say bible ntel o me de no de nim age na no na for yes last week mu on na beto just say Mr. Drew wa kofa obi nyum routine a wo abrochime me ono so bo nyum ho akofa no nyuma sa invite Stoneboy what to say Stoneboy be verse o de agine din wa ha o na ye nimpo ho na beto just say nyum na wo boy no crampo no wo wi aye na no kra tia koda o Emma Kofi Kenata so underground musician to Aba Bontin Aba Legiso ono so ewia na nnwuma ono so de bɔ no ho asafo me na ɛwɔ Cape Coast ho no no so kra nkoda ye ama sesi a obi fro start another allegations aba ɛkɔ adema big art bi a ono so Ghana ha ɔbɔ nnwom pa te sɛ dodo na enim ne so wɔyɛ ade ɛwɔ no nnwom tuo emu na nkakɔ me ka no ho asɛm Akwaboah na ebusafo mbeka ya 2018 allegations be by against Akwaboah and obibini a oka xylophone Chinese phone no bi wode beto abonte se Akwaboah ne nnwum bi a wone nautica wo mo boy a nnwum ne edi problem no owia efi wono obibini ho oye rapper no owia efi no ho eno de kobo ne nnwum ti Akwaboah no still I was stealing kofo nnwum ka still as far as no so kan so still was stealing ne nnwum na say another underground musician about bonting abeka Akwaboah so na obi kan 2018 so ye thief no sa na nen so ye thief ono so aba bonting abekire se Akwaboah ewia ne nnwum na no nnwum a wewia no the latest nnwum na trend at se obi age abost at se obi edesa obi ajame obi bia obi Posti me was say Akwaboah ewia sa nnwum we efi wono ankasa ne ho na onukwa me kan ho asem ni din a ode abeto dwa Ken Paluta na kumasi and obezi or not chemo was say nnwum we eni anampo and obom or chese o release nnwum no better last year September mu ho no and woje nnwum no ebetu da na bra wo ye ni video no na na danfo bi a osusu say ono no leaking nnwum no Akwaboah ono so Akwaboah danfo ani din edikesi wo ba ho be ka say oh nnwum a wo boy there even concept no cry one nnwum no lie pa o sha ebekopa o encourage ne we ya wo chese o parking nyama fi kumase no wo de ni chire akra say na wa be boa ama Akwaboah enya nnwum no etimi dia hate se no ebefa nnwum no aye ne denti Ken Paluta chire a wono release ne nnwum September no so underground musician enti an shada trend afa crampo na one would saw more promotions I want you but Akwaboah release in India this year some few months ago posting no trend make you way start to say go for a day jamming no tin oba bonte say Akwaboah or your comfort kese pa it is will be allergy before see we be anuma na ya dia wotaye enunti wo wi anwom pa ne yango tie se na Ken Paluta wo chirechire ne nsemu
Bibia boko
nyame ado bibia boko
wow na enyum ya obo de Akwaboah anwom pa o
Akwaboah na ewia me
Posti me
wawia me
we are sure we are sure Akwaboah ewia
yeah Akwaboah ewia me
dey tin na wawia
The enti Akwaboah area me say me drop him in your ja Akwaboah. So I say me drop him me 10 months ago.
I see.
Yeah. Last year somewhere September. And I may drop his annual movie. And Akwaboah did it recently. And
wow.
Did you make us Akwaboah area me say
and Mr. Drew Kwani Wianyum. Hey,
there be Mr. Drew Kwani.
Akwaboah so Wianyum.
Akwaboah area and you no Kwani area. Akwaboah area me because the reason why I make us say Nipana obo Akwaboah beat for Posti me no.
Okay.
I am one of my closest dudes, like my friends now, like one of the closest friends.
Okay.
KC beats.
KC. I know KC.
Yeah. On the boss I beats the map Akwaboah.
Okay.
And KC is not KC is was I but my lord, you know.
Say KC what the nyame wanambwa.
Yeah, we're free we're movie kwa Accra right now.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, into a coin or kwa yes I know.
Ah, na munyina mu movie kwa nkran say.
Ah, well, yeah, wow. And they all I think it will be our only reason.
I brought you a friend of Flatelu. Debia is always angry with people. Ye kumasi fuanka. Ye pija mumuye ana pa munyina mukwakra. Why?
Well, Accra no. Because
because I'm shocked for you to tell me say KC is ukwakra.
Yeah, KC. Okay, recently we movie called Sana Martino though.
I see.
Yeah, we movie called.
Fine.
You know, KC so was my lord now. Or was our video nim.
Oh, okay.
So what I say about video sets no so it's no to say Akwaboah two nyom free me die ni mu straight
no they are here with the India no
and no ne dia ne dia because say all hype in it no drop we be fan quick into no why any sharp e dia betum no claim me so no ne this our concept na ba he will be a fan again and he say and as for our wife he don't hide her na dia so what I say but me na me din can drop it this
so you are the originator
yes sir
of Posti me
what I say
I see so what are you going to do about it
well then I met me I found when I me kai say your story be me say me shaka krano ye catch me say obomophobia is saying kungrem na osuma boa na fidie na okoya ayi aboa no na odododo ho akwa yi aboa na fidie nim na ase kan ye dey etwa fidie nim ti aboa ni movie say okona na obutu ne yem and aboa na ekono ka chense mama yefunu yare ti wanya na ahwe ne kra mama na yefunu ti Akwaboah wi amenyom na me so mabọ ma adwen ama no ma dropping new song be a friend me kron.
Oh, okay.
My bomb adwen was super.
I see.
Yeah.
You drop that song.
Yeah.
So you played a song for Akwaboah because he stole your song.
Yeah, Akwaboah there where you kron for.
Into what they say no?
Where you kron for. Na me buni pa but where you kron for. Yeah.
But have you been able to call him?
My friend, I mean, you hear say me friend Akwaboah. Yes, I'm here say me fra Akwaboah because I miss the last 3 days or so na me ni KC chatting and all say omo say me be drop you na me ye bibi about say me be drop bibi afa Akwaboah we ni ho no afi na omo hit me say Akwaboah recording ni dey na ansa na me be recording me dey and all that.
Okay.
But the thing is senior say Akwaboah recording ni dey na ansa na me be ya me dey na e dey anka KC ba me set so no could be a key and say, oh, bro, Akwaboah crowd similar live. Say, you and I answer them, person, me say, so I say, but Obia be seeing you know as a new idea. Yo, ja, idea we are able to make the ja. You got people talking. So what I say, but Akwaboah say, Ebia, me kwame nyam promo we. So what I say, I'm funny say, you go so a promo because yeah, up and coming no. And sometimes they have some difficulties because so Akwaboah there. One try.
Wow. Let's listen to this song. Kim Paluta. Abama. So
send a mechanic and no sound also avetue mu e video no tutu say wa bo eye Akwaboah charge pa say enu ne nwum onu angasa mu abo ne concept ni beat ni bibia e na Akwaboah afa e de ato ono no record so e de aba abonte say Posti me enwum no eye ne dia na ensem kwora na Ghana for comment say o Akwaboah yes ade wanya ade go for kan ensem ku Akwaboah so no na ama Akwaboah emo na dwen aba enwum no so ono so e de na dwen cha na say emuaya owofa eye ensem na ye de ato no so no abeto abonte na Akwaboah chere nsem no ono de say ono say enwuma efo won fa anya hwe won be bia wedu no wedu wakon kan wedu soro krampo enhunya se wo be ba fom abesisa fom ade e de atu no ho enhunya kra na say e no kire wo bofo ka se mo say I don't do cheap music. Posting me song is my own. According to him, the beat was initially made for him according to him, and in response on what he heard from Hello Entertainment Review. He doesn't do cheap music, neither does he know the guy in question, not to talk of stealing a song and B, that has nothing to do with him. And when he said Akwaboah eka wo bofumu and you say, wono ye abranta ni din edi ken Paluta ya wo church and semo kasa by heart e wo Hello FM wono. Won sheda nim ni wo bebia won hu ni nimpo da won tene kada ade underground obey that tene nka won sheda nim ni nti on fan to nche kra say wono Akwaboah e be ba that low be stupid that low so de bebia ni nyum na ono akasa mu Akwaboah no onye cheap music or ya songwriter or ya qualified that is wafa a year process ma we ba abonten a o chese wonim de e wo ne nyum djuma wo ye no nti say ye cheap popularity na boy ne pa obetimi abra direct or no Akwaboah no man popularity na say what na bonten no okeka kan sema enim efa no de eni line mu kra na wo hye ne response we ya the same response so enode ma obibini ebro obibini so ba bonten be allergy say problem nyum no eye wo no ankasa ne de enu nti gana fo bisa say go bienum kwa o na abeka say Akwaboah ewie wo nyum enu nti wan na eka no kre wan so na edi adro ensem we enwunti ene de keka hunti mato ensa e de afamia bema na ye bo a se wo mra nye etwetwe ho enkomo ene jejebre metwa me ho ade aba adofo mesama mo Akwaboah so biem na ye bo a bibi aboko
nyame adom na nse
nyame adom me ho
kene nyo wa yefo
me da se won so twa kam
kosra de
me fa no
me nya scarf
me fa no ma
Mr. So secretary dey
yanko ensem no so eya ken Paluta uwe se na wo kasa se wa video no dada uwe se na wo kasa utimi se enibre super na wo kasa na oni nchiremu ni a che se eya Akwaboah we wi anenum. This is not the first time to say obi alleged say Akwaboah ewi anenum. Ohwe ade na ekoso.
Okay, nana mo usu a first of all mo chia too much atwefo nyina e wo mo Ghana hanso na mo so mo amano ni say echi obi a mo koso ana ombo a too much echi dom na mudwumedie ni nyekese na afi nso me ba asem no so no say before me ba Akwaboah asem no so no ye hwe underage rappers na say musicians no omo underage omo mpi ya fans omo ba no un say obi aba obi wa owo mu che ansana akoshi obi later on akoshi obi na wale waboa no na wabe de no ye say na mdua so na den ahoma de hu suro na mdua so na ahoma hu suro penfo bu baby sa enti na obi so na obi aye den obi nso aba soro Akwaboah no po na aka na asem no dem say na msa akode so na ma ye den Akwaboah nso tini pie say be hu so na obi otro nyum masa akode ni sa nyuma no enti say ka so obi wi obi no ma enye news ana afen so no one thing news ni say omo wiada especially underground rappers no any musicians no ye wi omo nyum de bia and am say omo ni obeka say omo anu ndu bedwemu ni nti
me nti bia say inim say Akwaboah ni main talent or the music industry ni songwriting or tro nyum pa and say no buy into the limelight to crowd beto nyum kan no or tro nyum ma afoforo ninti so wait me a tro enyum to say underground ni wait me a tro nyum no buy in the limelight that wo to nyum a then they push you ma ko bi obi nyum
say enyum no de utimi ka say de bia nyum no be drop isa o enyum say akwa say de bia o ya
so we na any talent ah
o say talent in the o talent o buy polish
okay
polish talent you show footballers are your footballers but zero or demonstration Messi demonstration enti your musicians but you say sakode demonstration your rappers sakode demonstration
okay
and as answer your singers no make me aka say we Kwesiata entered as a rapper but you shame onu kra be hu say is good at the singing I see am share more of his songs ni na no or base you singing so am I grandpa no crab ni track be or release the crowd they so mu say Charlie fuck you then I can sing or say they say best rapper and I say fuck I can also then sing that means or brag with the singing is good at singing
but who say
that means say or no only rapping but or sound so enyum to aduma chedie enti say o ka say Akwaboah away Paluta ka say we wia na nyuma enya mwa because ye dia yom bebre ye hwe kinata say kinata so bae no obehun say okofa kwa kesi na ase ama relegation ba say kwa kesi den e wia na nyum satan no ye underground enti on say nam samini su no so ye na be pie ye enti on so be pie ye no unim say allegation o say kinata so wia Sambobi so abase kinata
fa Kofi Kidenten
guy no kra mi sheda wa die ni ti guy on say kinata den abe wia na nyum or track now person can make kinata any feature or the check kinata ni nyoma but on tin in kind but when you say kinata drop it track no say things fall apart but the way them na bibia no che say ono no nyom no de come kinata na kinata any area san nti na mi say underground no there ye wi omo nyum de bia ono so be ebe ye kan say obenya fame no ono so akowi obi nyum sa na tie unse odu ono ma the music career and I said that now is demanding me nyum na to no as a sako the rapper no also ye award no a rapper of the case of the English of the case that so atimi maintain for 10 years it I cannot another say mo amugo no also mo say challenge mo hono mo ade na ye competition nti also nso timi nya time bia mo ye something new e de besesa eyi nu e kan say system ni mu ne o say yeah unso ye den uti maintain wo din no baby awodu no kinata say obi enu say kinata dey ban songwriting na or you good because on what trying nyuma na share the content ni the lyrics ni the flow na kinata you very good no I say on what on style on obi am prin was ade em e ban no share the delivery ni say nyuma na songwriting na kinata e good nti ebe won say we ga say kinata ko wi obi nyu but omu wiada na am so ye good no nya we yikitu e bi kra na obetimi polish no eti Paluta no fine ye wia because we show no so ni sema o see the KC na downfall enyum no so KC na eden owo kan say enyum no oni ne owo sare dem no na KC so aye den say obe bezi wa Accra so obe hu Akwaboah so ati ase obe hu Akwaboah isi oni Akwaboah eden movie enti no enye no wan say nenyum no na Akwaboah eden ewia nyum
no na say na ye carry utubu so omunya so ansa na mo ba into the limelight no mo for the process as underground musician now him say underground honom na hard tough life nti one hit track be and we tama about into the limelight now obi abo no modern what say o piki bi we nya we bi na utubi ko fa ne concept na wo so underground no eno adwen ben fa na tai kire mi ti ase o
o say yes adwi na tai kire o also maintaining ni name na
now maintaining name na you have gotten there. The difference, the same state fact be the difference between an underground artist and any regular artist. They say underground no, and say when you good or when you but only proud, only the acceptance no of the listeners no. But artists no, we making artists mainstream artists no, making at least some hits be among the audience that say okase o release be say obenya kophobia ombe accept no ma follow no nti set talent no on kwade sometimes they don't come out even creative enough but do they about out nti ni asati yenfa yes akode example ebi wa sakode for some time no she don release enyum say no release but obo hu awo kaka no release some rap EPB no release advice no release nyama ketekete because he has already freestyle me that's it because or have the audience in that anti eba bontia he has the acceptance or maybe we call that creative enough but eba bontia onya audience no think say underground na fain na no pay audience afi no obo no mo dey say obe get that conform na accept no na wo nya acceptance na wo afi wo sa akopa akako wia ono no opre no na die pa na tai chiri ena mbe say
okay won say ye hwe sa akode na unse first time make say bia the way wa ba out no as a celebrity obi enim say this is Kinata, this is Akwaboah, this is Kidi, this is Kwame Yuji baby what do you have to maintain it until no Akwaboah ka say be say last year mo during our program inspirational program Martin program you know not can be say ebi wa on that identity na on that because the rap no ni baby I will do in career is demanding. Nti sometimes also timitna say edwin machi kran for father no drink prane actual raps or pemolers or try to be is being creative or the normal new stuff but it's not easy. You have to maintain it. That name you have to maintain it. Nti ono na asa akoda no try to be maintaining no. Un say obi aso kra ni suban.
Okay.
Ha bi asa akoda no wi obi no.
Okay.
But un say bi abetimi abanka o ya underground. Opianka bi ade buy o. Me what make say me kra me nye. Wetie wie no. I no longer have interest in bi say nyum na aka say me future was no. Okwa what rhythm no. What beat no after no audience ni then so ye bi kra na de ekọ. Nti obetimi bi abet kinata wan obi a woni ni suban ana Akwaboah enti no say ono no obetimi aka say have to maintain it ohun ye ni dem ni brain so e wo bi ebi mu afa enti ebu a ni brain enti ebu ohun a o ombo na o say any brain as person min kuminya selfish enti anu so ni na kan obi ana omutimi di wia obi track no
okay yeah underground the ade a wohia opportunity platform no the about thing also we are artists mainstream artists are obia any within what audience and won't it be fair say oh okay I need to be creative I need to maintain my audience and underground the me want talent but the beat but the nyum be talent wom and it means me nya verse cry feature cry can't I buy it from him say me oh, okay if you cannot even buy camper at least so between act na say I make arrangement on the song than say we fa without the person's permission now we are arranging
on prince of beto because onu ni say that the track na wa composing na hit like ebia menya sakode osua ebe make hit
why not feature
menya enti o menya samini osua like na wo before wo sa obedu sako ya underground one animo before benya sakode kra ni na kasakra no enye easy before benya kakesi na kasa enye easy before benya like those musicians no mo do animu na o makasa no enye that easy so what you say
and social media make it that platform
I make that platform a opportunity ama underground but yes still no also then otie who say smoke koku smoke so the two just say we on track Shatawale or Sunday ne ma Shatawale say ko ntie na nka onu so den on fa the verse on man the verse wo den e wo the track ni so but later on who say Shatawale here ne rhythm ni bibia wa ye similar bisana wa Posti say a teaser small one bia like now original one hey enti anu akofa so ma Shatawale kra man the boys here dey ebom enti no say before obu otia who say no this song is a hit song and I was show na obi animu na down bra obra no kra before who recorded that track no kra bro secure was saving as I recorded track that track no go studio akọ recording no enye easy enti no no say chale we hit song a ofa why na onimu no
yanko
yo why na be bo ma wo wa be ka wa say
o de me mama
o say Paluta kasa no ga say can say they have abusa and say enti sia na Akwaboah fa nyom no den no be ana si o oni hwiye de be ya ni say onu so de na no be den o de be bo no wo so o be kan na adwo bo na adwo a kire no wo enyom so nti wa ye track de aba no so
okay yeah fast back to Mr. Drew issue so Mr. Drew wan fo bia enyom say Rotimi a onu ye already made star one approach me or chilling in the lifestyle now okofa ne nyom no onu mpo enyom no fa no oye den cover wo ho
ono ka say cover but I mean me hwe ne track no ye na enye sa ne cover
okay but
Ultimate for binyum ka so ye cover na ko feature top artist Stone Boy abe feature no say sa ne cover wa fa nyum no dara fa ne bibia cover dey cover o fa bia rhythm no say beat nko fa o do dey kakra den abone bia o star bia o lyrics and be good shame another so but what for the whole thing
point time person making it class say or person on putting it out there say he acknowledged the fact say Rotimi was the source and I said the originator of the song enti say and here can underground for yasemi say big artist Shatawale either Shatawale and I say Stone Boy and I say even Akwaboah they say and I say that body so say we go for underground person you say on hate on platform but you need hate no afa at least say to make it fair because we each let's say we release it no far back until he has evidence that the song is his. We're releasing it far back until he can even go for it Senka Osika and got the law would have fought for him. Because from the way I was explaining, no, we releasing the far back to you.
We releasing no. That was September last year. Oh, it's we releasing Pacho what year?
I said maybe on purpose to change.
Man, media minim your Posti me Akwaboah. I minim. Eti man, that means I underground. And you know, I don't know so no. Opuvu ya say, and you need the answer. You know, boy, similar to Akwaboah there no. During interview, you know, boy, and similar to Akwaboah there. And you know, say. Oh no, so far what me prove here. That means why then we are better bia. And you no the come Akwaboah. And also I na down for ni kesi so we was you know ebia kesi na from no you know my year free mu. So what you say?
And notice say I the ekoi. They say man I establish say dey big artists for big.
Oh, yeah, don't be
underground for
me. Also we need that.
How am money that because they
try now sometimes you know also try now to bring it out. Maybe why a remix no feature big artists no also. So what you say?
Sikana ya say.
There be enye sika no. Fine, what recording you no. Try say obe man about asene etie na. Oh, about no e bi obi ante because we underground. Oh. Etina no what per remix no go feature na. Top artist na. Obi anim say you have the original song over there. Anambwa, who original song go on no. Entina on na remix. Entina na enu see other way ah. Obetimi claim ownership of your song. Because who original one no why a remix. You share guy we are Kelly guy track with Kelly featuring Kwesiata ni Stone Boy.
Okay.
Oh, original song wo no kwa no to you know why remix. Remix featuring Kwesiata ni entina no one ebetimi wia. Obi antimi wia.
Now say from what he said he had already released the song. We releasing you.
Me still tie.
Say oh baby
what the kind song we promo no ka say o release as in official na ba say yeah huntiti
also releasing in September
until
everything for accept we that we need big artists won go so area underground artists for no just because omuni audience and now say underground for so many enti won bi o ni sana na ye boa e can na omo record omo nyem to and say omo nya den remix efa omo original songs no with big artists on it. Ni name no eda we nim obetimi e de wa dwenche efa ensem we no atudwa e wo Tuma GH ye comment session ebiem nso no follow yen e wo Instagram @TumaGH_. Within the nana ama ohusa minute nana ye bra nana isi gonya edi enkomo we na me yaduma ye besa edi nhyemu bi makramo.